Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. For daily tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Get Hired Secrets. Today, we will discuss 7 criteria for deciding which career test is right for you. I used to feel depressed at work, hate my boss, and was sometimes so bored that I actually fell asleep at my desk. One of my former candidates told me this and I couldn't believe it. If this sounds like you, then it's probably time to consider changing jobs or careers. But before you can make your career change, you need to figure out what you want to do. One of the best ways to get clear is to complete a career assessment. Yet there are literally hundreds of career tests out there. I get asked if a career test is the same as an aptitude test. I also get asked about career personality test. Let's clarify the difference and discuss the 7 criteria for deciding which career test is best for you. All right, number 1, career test versus personality test. Is the assessment specifically designed to provide career guidance? Personality tests only tell you about your character traits, whereas a career assessment specifically gives specific career advice. Personality tests such as the Myers-Briggs type indicator and the Enneagram are quite useful for background information. Making the leap from simple awareness of your personality type to specific career strategies is very difficult. However, if you want a new job or career, it's better to take an assessment that is specifically geared to providing career guidance. Number 2, specific versus general. Does the career assessment give concrete recommendations that you can use immediately rather than vague observations that are open to interpretation and not actionable? Aside from the change itself, the hardest part of changing careers is narrowing down your choices. But if you don't get specific, you won't be able to act. A good assessment should not be general like astrological horoscopes in the newspaper or online. Number 3, motivation rules. Motivation is a better indicator than aptitude or personality. Does a career assessment measure motivation? Motivation is a far better career indicator than skill or personality because what you like to do is what you will do and what you will get very good at if you aren't already. So why force a square peg into a round hole? When you base your decision on what motivates you, you'll probably feel much more fulfilled and be much more successful too. Number 4, where's the data? A good career assessment should include hard data as well as enough detail and explanation to help you interpret the results. Number 5, do you believe it? Is the career assessment scientifically valid? An effective career assessment should have a high predictive reliability. Such things can be measured statistically. Anything over 95% is quite good. Statistical validity is important for several reasons. Obviously, you want to feel that the assessment provides an accurate picture of what motivates you, and you don't want to be misled by grossly inaccurate results. But another point is that when the results are believable, this provides a boost in your self-confidence. I know for me personally, in my case, I was relieved and encouraged to see from my results that I had chosen the correct career path. It was kind of a confirmation or a validation. So remember that ultimately it's up to you to decide whether a set of results makes sense or not. However, it helps to use a highly reliable assessment. So, number 6, can you get from A to Z? Are additional tools available to help you take your results and develop a clear roadmap for yourself? That's a question you should be asking. Honestly, a lot of people take career tests and get brilliant insights. Unfortunately, many of these same people are never able to turn their insights into results. What's needed is a support infrastructure and of materials and people to help you apply your results over time. Number 7, is it fast? Even in the internet age, there are a lot of tests that you can only take on paper. and it takes 30 minutes or some of them even over an hour to take the test. Then you must wait while the test is scored and processed, and you may only get your results after several days or sometimes even weeks. Personally, I prefer career tests that I can take online and that give me my results immediately. So a career test is, again, just a tool and just one step on your career change journey. Nonetheless, it's worth spending some time to understand what types of tests are available and which is the best fit for you. Just remember that even the best career test is only a tool. Make sure you remember that. It's up to you to take charge of your own career. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out gethiredsecrets.com. Again, that's gethiredsecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.